Welcome to Compare to Win. The best laundry pods are probably one of the most convenient and effective ways to get your clothes sparkling clean, but with so many options on the market, choosing the right one can feel like a daunting task. These pre-measured pods offer a no-mess, no-guess solution to laundry day, dissolving completely in your wash to release powerful cleaning agents that tackle tough stains and leave your fabrics smelling fresh. Whether you're dealing with stubborn grass stains, greasy food spills, or just the everyday grime that accumulates on your clothes, the right laundry pod can make all the difference in achieving a superior clean with minimal effort. Number 5. Clorox Zero Splash Bleach Packs. Tired of messy spills and splashes? Introducing a revolutionary way to do laundry. These bleach packs offer a convenient and clean solution. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional liquid bleach. Our innovative design ensures zero splash, making your laundry routine cleaner and simpler than ever before. Experience the powerful cleaning performance you expect from Clorox. Just toss one pack into your wash for brilliantly clean clothes every time. Each pack contains 4 convenient units, perfect for keeping your laundry room stocked. They are easy to store and ready when you need them. Upgrade your laundry experience with Clorox Zero Splash Bleach Packs. It's the smart, simple, and splash-free way to achieve a superior clean. What we like? Tired of messy spills and splashes? This offers a clean and controlled way to add bleach to your laundry. If you're looking for a no-fuss, mess-free experience, this is the perfect choice for your home. What people say? The standout feature is, of course, the no-splash design. Traditional bleach bottles can be messy and intimidating, and I have had my fair share of drips and spills over the years. These packets completely eliminate that worry. Effectiveness is excellent. Whites come out bright, colors stay vibrant, and it performs just like regular bleach without the usual fuss. The packets themselves are easy to handle and dissolve quickly in the wash. I have used them in both standard and high-efficiency machines, and they perform consistently well. Number 4. Evolve Concentrated Bleach Tablets, Summer Lavender. Introducing Evolve Concentrated Bleach Tablets, the revolutionary way to tackle your laundry. Experience powerful cleaning with ultimate convenience. With a 2-year shelf life, these tablets are always ready when you need them. Enjoy the refreshing scent of summer lavender. They activate only in hot or cold water, ensuring no spills, no splash, and absolutely no mess. Just pure cleaning power. One small tablet, mixed with just half a cup of water, delivers the cleaning power of half a cup of regular liquid bleach. It's incredibly effective. Their lightweight design makes them easy to store and transport. Take powerful cleaning wherever you go without the hassle. By choosing these tablets, you're also choosing to reduce plastic waste. It's a small change that makes a big difference for the environment. What we like? Worried about bleach expiring? This has an impressive 2-year shelf life and works effectively in both hot and cold water. If you want a reliable and potent bleach solution that lasts, this is the one for you. What people say? Bleach in solid form is one of the most convenient and amazing products in existence. You can't spill it, it doesn't evaporate, and it stores in a much smaller space basically forever. Really brightens my whites. Love it so much more than liquid bleach because there is no residual bleach in the bleach dispenser since you don't use the dispenser. These tablets are much better than liquid bleach. I love the fact that I can store a ton of these small lightweight bottles in my cabinet without it taking up a lot of space. Each bottle contains 32 tablets. One tablet can be diluted into 1 gallon of water for mopping and general cleaning, or you can dilute 1 tablet in a 16-ounce spray bottle for a stronger concentration. Number 3. Evolve Concentrated Bleach Tablets Summer Lavender. Discover the power of Evolve Concentrated Bleach Tablets. Experience a powerful clean with a refreshing summer lavender scent. Infused with the delightful scent of summer lavender, these tablets leave your laundry smelling fresh and clean. Our concentrated formula tackles tough stains and odors effectively. It provides a deep clean without harsh chemicals. The convenient tablet form makes laundry day easier. Simply toss 1 tablet into your wash for a powerful clean. Each pack contains 32 tablets, offering long-lasting freshness and cleaning power for your home. Upgrade your laundry routine with Evolve Concentrated Bleach Tablets. Enjoy a superior clean and a pleasant scent every time. What we like? Looking for a concentrated bleach with a pleasant scent? This offers powerful cleaning with a refreshing fragrance. If you prefer a lighter, more manageable quantity for your laundry needs, this single pack is ideal. What people say. These bleach tablets are super convenient and easy to use. They dissolve well and leave everything smelling fresh with a light lavender scent. These things are amazing, easy to store and work just like your traditional bottle of bleach. Pop 1 or 2 in your washer along with your regular washing agent and let it do its job. Works great. So much easier and does the job same as liquid bleach with no sillage or accidental slashing where it's not wanted. Number 2. Tide to Go Instant Stain Remover Pen. Life happens, and stains are inevitable. But with this powerful stain remover pen, you can tackle unexpected messes on the go. It's your secret weapon against spills and spots. Don't let food or drink stains ruin your day. This pen is specifically designed to lift and remove common stains quickly and effectively. Just a few dabs and the stain is gone. Its compact size makes it perfect for your purse, bag, or car. Keep it handy for those moments when you need a quick cleanup, no matter where you are. From coffee spills to pasta sauce, this instant stain remover handles a variety of everyday stains. It's the convenient solution for maintaining a clean appearance. This pack comes with 3 pens, ensuring you always have one when you need it. Keep one at home, one in your car, and one in your travel bag for ultimate convenience. What we like. Need to tackle stains on the go? This portable pen is designed for instant stain removal, perfect for life's little accidents. If you're always on the move and want a quick fix for food and drink stains, this fits perfectly in your bag. What people say. These pens go with me everywhere and the price is excellent for 3. The scent is nice, the quality can't be beat, and I love the size because I can carry one in my purse, one for home, and one for traveling. The design is compact, balanced, and easy to control, with a felt tip that allows for precise application and a safe, firm scrub without damaging fabric. It works especially well on light fabrics, like my white pillowcases, removing nearly every stain I've encountered, from food to small marks on pillowcases or shirts. Number 1. Bleach Tablets 40 Count. Introducing our 40 Count Bleach Tablets, a versatile solution for all your cleaning needs. Tackle tough messes with ease. Make laundry day a breeze with these powerful tablets. They effectively brighten and sanitize your clothes. Achieve a spotless toilet bowl without the hassle of liquid bleach. These tablets dissolve quickly for a deep clean. Keep your bathroom tiles and surfaces gleaming. Our tablets offer a convenient alternative to traditional bleach. From countertops to sinks, these multipurpose tablets are perfect for your kitchen. Enjoy a fresh and clean space. Experience the convenience of a fast-dissolving formula. These tablets work quickly to deliver powerful cleaning action. What we like. Seeking a versatile and effective cleaning solution? These tablets offer a powerful alternative to liquid bleach for various surfaces. If you need a convenient way to clean laundry, bathrooms, and kitchens, these fast-dissolving tablets are a great option. What people say. No more measuring out liquid bleach and worrying about spills or splatters. With these tablets, I just pop one into a bucket or my washing machine, and I'm good to go. They dissolve easily, releasing a powerful cleaning solution that tackles everything from laundry to kitchen surfaces, bathroom tiles, and even the toilet bowl. What I love most about Gardage bleach tablets is how effective they are without the mess. I've used them on my kitchen counters and bathroom tiles, and the results are fantastic. Everything looks sparkling clean without any of the harsh bleach smell lingering in the air. Clothes come out perfectly white. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.